Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel hot coffee at home. First, gather your essential ingredients, your preferred coffee, some delicious caramel sauce, and your choice of milk. You'll also need basic equipment like a coffee maker, a sturdy mug, and a spoon for stirring. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get brewing. Now, let's brew the coffee. You'll want about 8 ounces of strong, hot coffee. Whether you use a drip machine, French press, or pour-over, make it just how you like it. A dark roast often complements the caramel beautifully, but feel free to use your favorite blend. The key is a robust base to stand up to the sweetness. Next, prepare your mug with that irresistible caramel. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce directly into the bottom of your mug. Then, heat about 4 to 6 ounces of milk. You can do this on the stovetop or in the microwave until it's steaming hot. If you have a frother, now's the perfect time to create some lovely foam for an extra special touch. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour your freshly brewed hot coffee into the mug, stirring gently to mix with the caramel. Then, add your steamed milk, spooning any delicious froth on top. Give it a final stir, and your homemade caramel hot coffee is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. It's the perfect treat to brighten your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.